Alright, so in this video we're going to look about the strings, right? So what is a string? Well, we know that strings are a group of characters, right? And so usually sometimes user gives you values of a string size. For example, suppose we have some strings like this, ABC, right? Or y is equal to Saleh, right? So these things are termed as string, right? And these things are also with like 1, 2, 3, and this is also an string, right? Or it has some values bc3, right? So all these things are strings, right? And as an example, how can we use strings, right? So this is actually the Python shell, right? And to write the program, we will be using the files, right? The files from here. I told you in first video, uh, yeah, our second video, right? So you can see here, there. So let's check it. Now the string is proposed equal to hello Saleh, right? So this is a string, right? So if you look at the hello, you'll find that hello Saleh. Or you can do it it, right? So you get this string. And so there are so many ways of to access. If you want to access particular value, right? So you just have to use the square brackets. And suppose you want to access this element, right? This element, the third element. So what you have to do is here 2, just put 2 because start counting start from 0, right? So I'm sorry, it actually has to be x, right? And we print, oh I'm sorry, a, there is 2, and then okay, so this is L, right? And you want to print other values, or suppose this is 4, right? So at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth position. So at fourth position, want to access, you'll find, you'll get that 4, right? And you can also use slicing method, right? Yeah. And this way, right? Suppose you want to access only this value, right? Sorry. So what you have to do is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 to from 7, right? From 7 to end, right? So this means that we want access to the end, right? You can see here, sorry. Or 7 to 9, you can put it this way, you will get this way, right? So means two values. So that's how you can play with strings, right? And there are many methods available with strings. You can see here capitalize. It means that you can capitalize the values, case fold, center, count. You can count the number of um, characters are available, how many numbers of characters are available, right? Ends with, find, format. So there are many methods available, and we can use accordingly, where according to the applications, right? Thanks for watching.